Hey everybody, good morning. This is Captain Drew Cavanaugh from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review recommendation over the SandShark telescoping boat stick, grab stick, boat stick, hook stick, whatever you want to call it. And this is a telescoping model, 4 stages, which is pretty cool. Not only am I going to use this on my boat, I'm not going to lie to you, this will be used around my house quite often, just to reach some places where I need to clean that I cannot normally get. That's got to be, let's see, I'm 6 foot. That's got to be 10, 12 feet. It's got to be 12 feet. So, yeah, I can hit the ceiling right there in the storage unit here. I like this thing. It's nice. The other nice thing about it, it's just not a boat hook. It's also, so I can put this back down here. So this thing unscrews and it fits on the standard mop, broom, whatever you have. This is the user one I'm using. I'm not going to be using this thing. You unscrew this, and this is the first time I've done this, so we're going to see if it fits on here. Put it right there. And so that bad boy screws right, a little weird angle. Let's see here. There we go. So that bad boy screws right onto there like that. Come on now, come on there, tight, there we go. Now I got a new screw thing on there, scrub the boat, all that kind of good stuff. I like it a lot. It's a good little fit. That screws on there like that. And so anything that I forget the standard, this looks like 1/2 inch. Screw on there, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, you know, it's a standard broom. I like it, it's a boat hook, so when you're out there on the boat, you're going to grab something. Got my beagle right here. I just grabbed his leash, and I think you're gonna like this. The telescoping boat hook from SandShark. You're gonna like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.